Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or enable eye comfort in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to display and brightness, and here select eye comfort and turn on the button eye comfort, so that if you are using your phone a very long time, it will not affect your eyes, okay, because more yellows will be added to your screen color, so that it will not affect much, okay. And click on schedule. You can also set a schedule for eye comfort option, okay. Click on turn on, and here set the timing, okay. So here I set it to 17 minutes. That means eye comfort will be turned on 7 p.m, okay, and it will turn off at the set time here, okay. So here if you choose 6 hour minute, that means on next day 6 a.m. eye comfort will be ended, okay. That mode will be ended and normal mode will be appeared, okay. This is called scheduled option, okay. Also you can change screen color temperature for eye comfort, okay. What you got to do is just you can increase color temperature to high or color temperature to low, okay. Low means cooler, high means warmer, okay. Middle will be the default, okay, the standard one, okay. So in this way you can easily set eye comfort, okay. Also you can choose black and white, okay. That means everything will be in black and white, okay. So in this way you can easily change eye comfort. You can easily set and enable eye comfort for your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.